You're a good boy. So, what's the minute? That's this.
What is it now, Officer Featherweight?
This young man here and bring in $10,000. Don't worry about it, I got it. So let's see, sir.
Son, I'm so proud of you. Don't worry about it. Keep doing good in your community, and the police will take it from here. I commend your son. You get home safely now, and we'll deal with it from here and on. Okay, son? You get home safely. Officer Featherweight, yes? You mean to tell me you called me out of my office for a report a case of lost and found of $5,000?